Hello guys, this is another YouTube video with me, tornadotouch, and someone that I think you've wanted to see, Super Sporty 1. He also has a YouTube account. It's Super Sporty Gaming with gaming spelt wrong. His gaming is spelled Gaming. Forgot to take out the E. But subscribe him. And my friend Super Sporty is right now YouTubing, I think, when he hurries up. Cool, he's starting it now. Get on my Plex, Sean. Get on my Plex. You're taking forever. Today we're going to be playing Block Hunt. Block Hunt. Hi guys, what's up? Right now I'm here with my friend Super Sporty 1 and we're going to be playing Block Hunt. And I'm currently on my friend's head. And he just threw me. I'll get you back for that. What? Oh, what? Come get some. With a foul on your face and an arrow in your bum. In a minute, Dad. Okay, so let's play Block Hunt. Excuse me. Just go to Block Hunt. Look at the little pig. Piggy. Hello, Piggy. Okay, so we're going to server 5. Sure. Yes, I did join. Hint, hint. Okay, now Sean, Super Sporty 1, his real name's not Sean, I just call him that for some reason because it rhymes with his actual name. They can't hear you, I don't have that version.
You've got shapes.
Boom.
New shapes.
Okay, it's a little bit to go. I'm a hider. Are you? Are you? Are you? Coming to the tree. You can't be a chicken. Oh, cool, I am. I'm going to just send the pin. They will never know what chicken to hit. Are you in the pin? Don't be a melon. I'm a chicken in the pin. Oh no, but please don't go for me. Meow. No one will suspect I'm a chicken. Are you a chicken? Ow. Why? Uh-oh. Are you? Aiming! Fire! Oh. Shoot the anvil! Oh, there he is, this guy. Oh, that's my friend. Hey, Sean. Do you see me? That's not me. That's... No. Hey, Glock. That's me! That's me! Leave the I wanna hunt with you. Where are you? Where are you? I can't find you, Sean. I wanna know where you are. I've got the bomb kit. Woo! Bombing. Boom. I've got the bomber kit. Say goodbye if you're in here. I'm a blowing. Oh, I'll go to the ship then, I think, if I can find it. I will blow up you! Oh, poo. You do? I can't. Huh? Are you at the ship? Because I'll go back to the ship then. Oh, where are you then? Outside the ship? On the beach? Wait, I think I see you. Stop. Because I see you. Yeah. Stay there, stay there. What type of armor do I have? Can you stop moving? Huh? No, probably the TNT. You do have some arrows in your butt. The things forming around me. Ah! Yeah. Okay, dude, come into the house. We can break into the house. Because we can't open doors. Yeah, I can. Nah. Time to paint. It just gives you it. Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man. They say he murdered 3. Strange things that happen here, no stranger would have seen if we met at midnight in a tree. Sorry. Hiya, chickens! Oh, no one's there. Can't find them. Ah! Oh yeah, you could throw the TNT. Break in. Oh. Oh, sad. Sad. Boom. I'm trying to break into a house. Ah! And I'm covered up. Help, Sean, I'm gonna die. Blow up on me, man. Blow up. Ah, I can't move. I'm trying to get out of here. Where? Where are you? Nah, Sean said that the piggy wasn't. Oh. Okay, well, we can play a game. I want to play a game. Guys, keep your YouTube videos on because we're playing a game. We're playing about 3 times. No, this isn't going to be the last. Don't be sad. This isn't going to be our last round. On my friend's channel, it's going to be his last one. Aww. But on my channel, I'll keep playing. Dude, be on the hiders. Dude, go on the hiders. Go on the hiders. 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 Can you be a chicken? That cool. You can be a chicken. Let's be a chicken. chicken. A chicken. Oh, what am I? Oh, I'm a furnace. Sad. I want to be a pig then. Pig. Make me a pig. Wait, will you move? I can't find you. Oh wait, I think I see you. Are you? Oh, I thought you were. Oh, what? I'm not a haystack. I'm not a haystack, man. Make me a pig again. I'm now a pig. Yay. I gotta go hang with the other pigs, man. Or I'm gonna get caught. Hey, we're just some piggies chilling out. Yeah, just some pigs. I know.
How do pigs hold things? Wait. What do you
Ah!
look like if you're a pig holding something?
Uh-oh. I think I just exposed my resurrections. Ah! I see a hunter. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh! Act like a pig. Go slow. Don't hurt the pig. I'm just a pig. I wish I could be a flower. I'm on. Oh, what? Oh, I see another pig that's definitely one because he's going so fast. Like swagalicious. Pig. Yeah, I know. I'm just going like one at a time, but I should probably leave before. Uh-oh. Run, run. I think I see someone. And a pig. Hopefully they don't notice that a pig's sprinting away. Are you coming to the... Oh, a guy just walked right past me and I was walking. No, it isn't. Why would you say that? Disgust. Yeah, running behind schedule. Nice one, Sean. Hey, let's try to get in. Hey. Oh, that's you. Sorry. Yeah, one of those piggies, but not me. Yeah, I'm definitely not one of those piggies. Oh, someone killed me. They found out I was a piggy. I was actually right next to you. Believe it or not. That was Sean's mama. Oh, your mum. Oh, that's kind of mean. I think these guys will be here. Look. Oh, my friend's voice is glitching so bad. I think I see a moving pig. Hey, piggy! Hunting time's here. Any pig that walks away from this TNT, I know. Aww. Are you a daddy piggy?